So today I'm here to share with you guys the Paw Patrol Big Truck Pups Truck Stop HQ. Guys, this thing is massive, okay? There is so much you can do with this, and this is going to be such a fun toy for your kiddos. My kids absolutely love it. Here is what you get with this set, okay? So obviously you guys see the HQ, the headquarters here, okay? And I'll show you exactly how it functions, in addition to the fact that you're also going to get a vehicle for Chase, okay? So you're gonna have this semi over here for Chase, okay? And you can actually open up this top right here and you'll be able to put him in it. And then, of course, you've also got Chase, who is perched right here at the top of the tower, and you'll have him as well. So to show you guys where the trucks go, we've got several parking spots for each of the vehicles for the pups, okay? Obviously, you're only going to get the truck for Chase, but of course, you can collect whatever vehicles you want for this set, and then, of course, park them in their parking spaces. Those parking spaces have ramps of their own, so you can literally just bring your vehicle right up the ramp and park right there. You also have a car wash over here, and my assistant is going to help show how the car can be placed through the car wash. So Chase's car is getting a good wash. We also have a gas station on this side, so we are pumping gas so that Chase can be on his way. So there are also some additional features up here. For instance, we've got this button right here that you can press. And you've got the Paw Patrol music, which is so fitting. It's so perfect, okay? We've also got another additional feature, and this is the super fun one, okay? And then I'll show you guys how this can also collapse as well, because this is also collapsible. But we've got our vehicle over here. We've got Chase perched right at the top, right over here. Another really cool feature is that you can actually have Chase get dropped off in his vehicle, okay? So I'm gonna show you how you do it. So my assistant here is gonna go ahead and pull the car into the ramp. So as you guys can see, we've got our vehicle on the ramp, but the cool thing is that when you pull the vehicle on the ramp, it actually opens up the top of the vehicle. So that gray top is actually lifted up so that now we can actually have Chase drop down in his vehicle, and all you're going to do is press this button right here. And there he is. Another fun feature is this right here, okay? So now that Chase is actually in his vehicle, you are going to be able to have him accelerate out. So I'm going to have my assistant show you how that's done. And there he goes. There he goes. Now I'm going to have my assistant show you how to collapse it. So we've got our vehicle parked over there, and you can have several vehicles parked in that fashion when you collapse it. If you would, my assistant, please. Boom. All put together, and the vehicle is still where we placed it. All in all, guys, this is an incredible, incredible toy. It is so much fun, so much in possibilities, so much fun pretend play, hours of fun for the kids. And if you guys are a Paw Patrol household like we are, this is definitely going to be a great addition to your toy collection for your kids. So this is definitely an amazing find, and I hope this video helps you in making your decision.